AssetWhere is a great tool for schools that have multiple campuses because it gives them access to all of their sites from their desktop. So I can easily view each of the campuses without having to send someone out to each campus to investigate. So let's have a look now. Come up here to the campus site and I'm selecting the Donvale campus because I have some questions around some of the floor plans. So what this allows me to do is to easily access these floor plans, choose to turn some of these individual sections of the school off so that I can instantly find the key floor plan information, services and room information that I require. And all of this is particularly useful if a school is considering any major capital works. And all of that information is readily available and at my fingertips.